guys, so in this video I'm going to take you to one of the famous and highest peak in Mussoorie. So basically Mussoorie में Gun Hill Point, Lal Tibba, Nag Tibba and Dalai Hills and George Everest काफ़ी famous है in terms of trekking and hiking. And in this video I'm going to talk about the George Everest peak. जी हाँ. So things that we're gonna cover about Everest are route, distance, where the trek start, Everest base camp, camping property in case you plan to stay near around the George Everest, so you have an option. I'm going to show you the property as well, difficulty level, and a little note on story and few connected places near around George Everest in case अगर आप लोग जल्दी आ जाते हैं in हफ्ते में if you wind up your George Everest place, so what are all places that you can cover near around George Everest, so that is also I'm going to tell you. Well, to my new viewers, just want to say my day one Mussoorie video is out just to ease your day one itinerary plan, so do watch it. Coming back to George Everest, rock and roll. So considering Library Chalk as your base, you will take a route of Welcome Savoy Hotel. वैसे आप offline and online map भी use कर सकते हैं. Easily you can reach out to your destination. So a little crazy thing that I did was मैंने अपनी location जहाँ पे मैं stay कर रही हूँ, which is Ghost Top Hostel, वहाँ से मैंने till peak तक मैंने ट्रैक किया था. And so at a certain point I was not supposed to walk at least till that peak. बट एक पॉइंट आ गया था कि अरे अभी आ गया. सो उसके चलते चलते मैं बस आगे निकल ली एंड आई जस्ट टुक अ वॉकिंग रोड. But fortunately it was good for me because I saw some Himalayan ranges and Dalai Hills also in my way. I have taken some good shots. You will see ahead. So Library Chalk to George starting point, the walking distance is around 6 to 7 kilometer, which will take around approx 2 to 3 hours. By two-wheeler or four-wheeler, the distance is around 4 to 6 kilometer, which will take approx 20 to 25 minutes to reach at your starting point of George Everest. Remember, starting point of George Everest where you can park your vehicle. So while you reaching to this Tiraha, one way goes to Cloud End and the left turn you will take you towards George Everest parking point. So यहाँ से रोड की कंडीशन वॉज नॉट दैट मच गुड बट व्हीकल्स जाते हैं. इट्स अ पार्किंग एक्चुअली, सो टू व्हीलर फोर व्हीलर यू कैन ईजिली टेक इट, बट इन केस इफ़ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल यू कैन ड्रॉप योर व्हीकल्स टू दैट पॉइंट वेयर जहाँ तिराहा आता है, वहाँ पे आप अपनी गाड़ी ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं एंड देन यू कैन वॉक टू टिल दैट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ George Everest. So once reaching to your destination, your starting point, park your vehicle, have a tea, have Maggie, have some snacks, etc. Start your trek, a trek of 1.5 kilometer right from the starting point till the peak. So let's start it. So this place offers peace as well as some spectacular view of Himalayan range and Doon Valley. These days it is famous for camping, adventure outing and picnic spot as well. So being very close to Mussoorie and Dehradun, it is getting popular day by day. I took a little pause while trekking. I saw this Everest base camp property where you have a facility to eat, drink, party, or you can plan for get together as well and stay with a forest vibe. So this property is newly opened in the month of July and is very safe as they mention. About the amenities, Airtel and Jio works good, Wi-Fi is average and fine, 24 hours of electricity, some activities arrangement they can make it like a bonfire or some I guess like bonfire only. So and of course George Everest अगर visit करना है तो वो guide एक provide कर सकते हैं और maybe Mussoorie का provide कर सकते हैं. So these some kind of arrangement that they can make it for planning your day. And mainly the rent of this property is 8,500 INR a night. जी हाँ. Well, me being a budget traveler, मैं तो afford नहीं कर सकती थी. This is the only property that is very nearest to the George Everest if you are coming for a weekend and wanted to have that forest view vibe. coming with a group, have your parties or something, this is something a must place if you have a budget of 8500. Well, the rooms are very limited. They have just 2 rooms. It is not something तुम्हारे पास domes available है. They just have room थोड़े से clumsy थे. Sorry for that because वहाँ पे check in और check out हो रहा था. So they were cleaning it. So manage with the view. Whatever I'm giving right now, at least good enough. So that's it. I'll leave the contact details of this property in the description. So in case if you wanted to contact, you have the details to go for it. So moving ahead, you will see Sir George House, which is under construction and you are not supposed to get in. A little on Sir George. So he came to visit India in around 1806 as a cadet. He contributed during his stay was highly praised by the world, and that's why government of Uttarakhand decided to develop park as a tourism destination in the memory of Sir George. From this George Everest house, the hike is around 500 to 600 meters uphill, which will take again approx around 30 to 40 minutes. अगर आप आराम से भी रेस्ट करके जाओगे तो 40-45 minutes लगेंगे. If I talk about the difficulty level, so it is very easy. It can be one of the option for beginners trek. Again, it has a very plain plain रास्ता है and somewhere stairs available. So it's kind of like stairs है, plain रास्ता है. It's very clean. Though बहुत narrow road है, but it's kind of manageable and it's very easy in terms of trekking. And if in case you are a beginner, so that is one of the good option to make yourself comfortable while trekking. So I went up during the rainy season, and so one should not expect a clean view or a clear view from the range, but should expect a view surrounded with the clouds. लेकिन जो मैंने नज़ारा देखा वो भी काफ़ी इतना कुछ ऐसा disappointing नहीं था. It was really good. एकदम clouds cross हो रहे थे तो उसका भी अपना अलग ही मज़ा है. So I enjoyed it. ऐसे भी पहाड़ों में कब कैसा वेदर हो जाए, यू नेवर नो. मॉर्निंग में मसूरी में यहाँ पे धूप निकलती है, इवनिंग में एंड इवन आफ्टरनून में विद इन हाफ एन आवर यू विल सी क्लाउड जस्ट हियर एंड इट्स रेनिंग लाइक हेल. हाँ, बाई चांस अगर धूप आ गई यू माइट गेट लकी, सो यू विल सी सम रेंजेस एंड द डून वैलीज अगेन. So this spot is ideal for those who wanted to do a solo trekking just like me, or wanted to do it yourself, or a beginners in terms of trekking skills. So this is good for them. I suggest to take some snacks with you to eat, drink non-alcoholic beverages, because when you are up on the peak, it is worth spending some time around 2 hours or something to eat, talk, have memories and enjoy the peace. अदर हैंड, एज आई मैंशनड इन दी स्टार्ट कि अगर आप जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट आफ्टरनून में ख़त्म कर देते हैं एंड इफ़ यू प्लान टू एक्सप्लोर सम अदर प्लेसेस नियर अराउंड जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन गो टू क्लाउड एंड. मैं नहीं गई थी बिकॉज जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट जो गया है, जिसने वहाँ से व्यू देखा है, क्लाउड एंड इज़ डाउन हिल साइड में जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट के. दिस इज समथिंग इफ़ यू हैव अ व्हीकल, इफ़ यू हैव अ टाइम, इफ़ यू वांटेड टू गो, सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन एक्सप्लोर वाइल कमिंग. वो तिराहे पे जो रास्ता एक कटता है 3 किलोमीटर का, वहाँ से क्लाउड एंड का रास्ता है. सो दैट समथिंग दैट यू गाइज कैन कवर. एंड हेंस कंक्लूडिंग माई वीडियो, आई होप you have all the information that you are looking for. Well, do hit the like button and let me know if you have any questions. Gladly to answer all your queries and doubt. Well, background change करना पड़ा. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी बारिश हो रही थी, बहुत तेज़ हवा चल रही थी. So well, I'll see you guys in my next release. Till then, travel safe, stay safe and explore the world with care. Bye. Salam.